toy. It's a bulldog game. And here's some cards.
What's your first?
The first one is one yellow. Easy.
One yellow.
Easy peasy lemon cheesy. Make sure
Don't make the dog bite you. Uh-oh. The bulldog might bite.
Got it.
Good job. Next one is?
Two whites each.
Two whites. Now I have to pick up the two whites out of there. With the tweezers out of the dog food bowl.
You have to get all of them.
Okay. Oh, there it is! He got bit. What do you say? What do you say, Nick? What do you say to Mom?
Mom, this is a scary game.
What's gonna happen when you come home?
You will poop your pants.
Show Mom.
You're running on a vacation because this game is going to
Now give Mom a kiss.